Hello, teacher. In this video, I am going to talk about the different approaches we can use in order to design an ESP course. As we already know, it is important to identify the students' necessities so that we can choose the appropriate approach to fulfill all their requirements. So in this case, I have chosen 4 approaches, which are the following. First, we have these two, this content-based instruction and the content and language integrated learning. These two approaches have in common the fact that they both include the content to teach a language. Both uses different languages to instruct. So what is the CVI? This is an innovative approach in which we use content to teach different stuff from any subjects. This is an American approach. It is connected to projects and task-based learnings. Here we can implement certain topics that can vary depending on the student's interests. That is why this approach is very good to motivate the students to learn the second language, because in this case they will learn what they really want to learn, and they will have the willingness to learn the new language. This approach is quite good since it's used to teach the second language as we usually acquire our mother tongue. And we can adapt different materials which can be more useful for the course design. Talking about the content language integrated learning, here we say that this is an innovative approach, same thing, that works on general language supporting in the learning of a subject in the classroom. This is an European approach, and the teachers are normally non-native speakers. Actually, this approach is used in the national curriculum that we have here in Ecuador, because of course the majority of teachers here in the country are not native speakers. We are non-native speakers. What else? Here we can implement literacy skills in the first language acquired, and here we have adapted material as well. The other two approach I want to talk about are the EGAP and the ESAP. The EGAP refers to the teaching of the skills that a language has that are common to all disciplines. Here is when we teach the content, when we teach the topics in general terms, so that the students can be ready to face any situation because they have plenty of knowledge about not only one topic, but also different types of topics. On the other hand, in the ESAP, we say that the students learn specifically what they are going to learn. Let's say, to give you an example, we are teaching a lawyer. So we will focus on their teaching only on their field of the law, which is the law. In this case, lawyers need to develop their oral skills, their written skills, and we can develop tasks that will allow them to improve each one of their skills to become the best lawyer in their field. So these are the approaches I have chosen. As a summary, I could mention that we have to select which is the best method to teach our students. We must remember as well that there are different specific necessities for them. Maybe they want to study, maybe they want to become professionals in certain degree. So I think as future teachers, we have to choose which is better for each one of them. So I can mention about this topic. Thanks a lot.